Hi, my name is Arkeisha, Amissah-Arthur, and I'm the project director for the Research, Innovation, and Commercialization project that's being executed by iSpace Foundation in collaboration with UK Aid and RIC.
Hi, my name is Josiah Eyison. I'm the partnership director on the Research, Innovation, and Commercialization project. The experience on the whole co-creation phase was brilliant. It was amazing. You got to engage different stakeholder groups from academia, researchers, innovators, innovation hub managers themselves. And it was just amazing to see the energy that was in the room and people giving you feedback and also participating in the project. That was an amazing experience for me.
So the co-creation workshops were really important because we wanted to be able to gather insights and data from the different stakeholder groups in each geographic location so that while this is a national project, it also becomes representative of different groups.
So the data review happened mainly so that we will ensure that we got all the right information, because that was going to influence or play a role in the curriculum that we intended to design, and also the training that will come after that, particularly in the second stage. So it was important that we review the data and shared it back to the stakeholder groups, and to ensure that we got the right information. For me, that's key. And that's one of the reasons why we're doing this whole data review.
The data review is scheduled for April 11th, 2023 at 2 p.m. We're excited to see everyone there. Please make sure that you RSVP so that you can get the link and information.